All right, guys, tested this baby out today on the 28-inch Aztex, and I hate to say it, you're gonna hear some more complaining. Everyone hates me complaining about my Dodge, but it is what it is. I've had a lot of vehicles, have a lot of things to compare these things against, and when something is not as good as other things, I'm gonna tell you guys, right? That's called useful, honest feedback. I don't have to pretend like this thing is the best or that this is the best because it's mine. That's not what I do here, right? If you want that kind of stuff, go to other YouTube channels. Anyways, so this thing does not have the torque to turn these tires. It does okay in two-wheel drive, but in four-wheel drive, it just bogs like crazy. Clutch never really slips. It just bogs the engine, which is preferred because then I'm in control of it, right? An SS would have probably burnt the clutch up today. But yeah, it couldn't even propel itself through North Beach in first gear, foot to the floor, in just water. It couldn't spin all four tires. So it needs lower gears or it needs a less aggressive tire. And Aztecs, I mean, they spin pretty easy. They're very light setup. You know, you can run a 33 on a stock Talon and it turns them way better than this. Partially, it's the gearing, right? It's geared high. It's geared higher than a Talon in first gear, in the Talon being in high range. And also, this engine doesn't make any power until 5,000 RPMs. So unless you hit the mud hole at wide open throttle in first gear and keep your foot in it the whole time, which sometimes you can do, sometimes you can't, it's really pathetic. So I could do the gear reduction in it. I'm looking into it. It's like, it gave me like a 30% reduction in first and a 20% reduction in the other gears. It's like $1,500 and it's a huge amount of work to install. So here's the footage. It was fun. It went through some stuff, but just really, really disappointed with how it compares to even a bone stock Talon.
You look like you're stuck. It's a big ass drop bar.
Thank you, sir.
Oh shit!
Thank you, sir.
Oh shit!
Ah, my phone's underwater.
How you do it? That's how you do it. There you go. Man, that thing don't like four-wheel drive. Or does it move?
Yeah, I don't have the dip lock.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't have enough power to turn them even with the dip unlock. I mean, that was foot to the floor to get out of that hole. Unacceptable. Needs lowering.
Nice. Wait for me at North Beach. All right, I'm leaving the flats. All right.